The German economy has witnessed a steep decline in activity of late. Today there's been further evidence of a slowdown as December retail sales came in with a 4.6% drop, far exceeding the already negative expectations of a drop of a relatively small 0.6%. 2 weeks ago, Germany posted its weakest growth in 5 years, followed yesterday by an announcement from the German Economy Ministry that it had cut its 2019 GDP forecast from 1.8% growth to just 1%, citing protectionism, Brexit and higher taxes. Could Germany now go into a full-blown recession? James Bevan, lead fund manager at CCLA, had this to offer.
Germany, now dependent on its domestic economy, as you've identified from the numbers, is in a lot of trouble. And I think that there is a reasonable chance the German economy slips into recession this year because without the export problem, it finds its people in a climate of negative interest rates are actually saving more money rather than less money. And that's a really bad cocktail. We saw it with Japan before, got it with Germany now.
Well, we know what happened in Japan. Could the German economy now be about to go into some sort of deep winter for investment in its corporations? Let's take a look at the German DAX first of all. This is a weekly chart, and you can see we've got this pattern here which has led to this head and shoulders pattern here at the top. Now, some would suggest that if that is a head and shoulders pattern, we've already seen that resolve, that drop down here. And the fact it's seen support at the 10,000 level is significant. That was previous resistance. It is now big support for this index, which is currently trading at 11,213. But if we get a drop long term below that 10,000 level, there could then be further downside for the German DAX. So far as the euro dollar is concerned, this again is the weekly chart, and you can see clearly here another head and shoulders developing here. But the big thing here is this support at the 113 level, currently trading at 114.92. You get a break of that 113, and potentially then you're then all the way on down to these lines of support down here at 103.15. So potentially, if we do see the German economy go into recession, it'll depend on how long that recession lasts, if indeed it happens at all. But if it does, and certainly recent evidence suggests that there is weakness building up in the German economy, that could itself then spread potentially to the rest of the Eurozone, which will be a real headache for the European Central Bank.